Per Inside EVs, Mercedes-Benz design chief Gordon Wagener is warning that artificial intelligence could soon take over much of automotive design. Wagener predicts that in about 10 years, AI could render human designers obsolete, even suggesting his own job could eventually be done by a machine at a fraction of the cost. Right now, he says AI produces a flood of designs, mostly bad ones, with only about 1% being useful. But as the technology improves, AI will drastically change how cars are designed. He points out that AI can quickly generate aerodynamic shapes or optimize for specific design goals, making it a valuable tool. However, Wagener questions whether AI can ever create truly iconic designs like the Porsche 911 or BMW's signature Hofmeister kink, vehicles that carry emotion, history, and human creativity. While AI might assist with design, completely replacing the artistry of human designers remains a major challenge. For now, AI is more of a design tool than a designer itself, but Wagener believes that will change in the coming years. Whether AI can create emotionally resonant cars like past classics remains an open question. You are listening to UON News.